Everybody's in there now. All right, see you then. All right. Sorry about that, guys.
And we're back.
All right, man, that was something. I don't know what happened, brother. I got shut down, ba, ba, ba. Don't know.
We're back. That's all that matters.
What just happened?
Internet just shut them down.
Got shut down, brother. Got shut down. Got shut down. Got shut down. Got shut down. Look at this reversal on XTC off the bottom here.
Steve, can you check the poll? POL?
What's the letter?
POL.
POL.
It's alive.
We just traded that the other day.
Yes.
Oh man, it's windy outside. Oh goodness, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go on returning spine support. POL. Oh wow, POL broke.
Wow. Yep.
$6, $6. $6. That's where would be the next one. $6. $6. Where would be that one? The next break, $6. Sorry about my platform. It's just slow to react to them.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sorry about that. We had one. I had to come back on to say I apologize for that. It's the second one here. DTX, how could I join the Zoom, the group?
I'm getting to that.
We'll get in all the links over there for you, DT, and we'll be able to join it as well, okay?
Man, yesterday, everything just fall. Tesla, Nvidia.
Oh, yeah,
It's really nice yesterday.
absolutely. That was a nice breakout at 5, man. 550 on this pool. The next breaks is at 6. Short under it's 565 here. Put it back down at that level where it breaks. Back down. I'll pin the DT. I'm gonna pin the link up top, okay? And
join the
you'll be able
Discord.
to get in through that Zoom, okay?
And join the Discord.
And also join the Discord as well. The link is in the chat here. You'll be able to join it. And this is the second round today. We're celebrating, guys. Celebrating 251. Ooh, got popped
250.
on
250.
oh man. Got popped. I'll be out at 6:50. 6:50. 6:50. 1-to-1. 1-to-1.
Rashad,
6:50. Look at that pullback right there. Unbelievable. Look at that pullback. Unreal, right?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna use that support and break 650. We're gonna do 650 back to 7, right? 50-cent move out of that. Now we have VWAP. So VWAP came up and actually wants to support this level here. So that's where we at now. Okay. Anybody in Meta? Did Meta break?
No, I never hit that 54.
Rejected, right? Wow, somebody came up and buy up a bunch down here at 550. Spread is not so bad. It's 13 cents. So again, once again, guys, if you're just joining, again, 250 trading days. I'm so used to saying 251, Mark.
I know.
That
was my bad, brother.
Trading days of 2023. As the year began, 2023, we had a challenge going out. Challenge accepted by Mark. Took a couple days to think about it, then accept the challenge. And here we are a year later, 250 days of trading, present to you by the Zen Trader, aka Stephen Reid, right? We are in the Zen zone, okay? This journey started back when, you think, Sean? Since TikTok? From TikTok, it went to
Oh, yeah.
Discord.
Yeah, starting
Discord,
TikTok, man.
It went to YouTube. YouTube now, we on to Zoom. So that was our transformation as we were growing, you know, and this thing is taking on a whole nother level of challenges. So we decide to move with it, progress. All right, and here we are. This stuff right here now, SNTG, break 650, I'm gonna go long. As you could see, I'm gonna go out and go long, okay? 650. Got a reversal on me at 550. I'll be out. I just need to see 650 print, which we have 645 at the moment. Okay. And we'll go back right back to 7, right? Anything over 7, we go there. Okay. We go there. 645, 639, 640, 643, 645. 5 cents to go. See some 650 print, and then we'll get to initiate this deal. And if we fail, it's the same thing again to the reversal to the side. I'm not going to give up that 550. That's where I'll enter it to the short side. That's the momentum shift now. Let's see if we could get that 650 again, one more time. Now we'll hold our position. Who's in here so far? Sean is here. Hello. Sean is here. JP is here. Good afternoon. Ashad is here. Indy T. Mike is here. Thank you, guys. Once again, we end this.
JP.
We hear daily Steve every day.
Yes, sir. I think Yasin was asking where was us, so let him know we're back on.
I did. I posted it. Discord.
Okay, so we just gotta be patient with this stock here. This was my entry to the short side. Somebody came in, bought it up at 550, push us up. So if we break this 650, we go back to 7, okay?
Mark,
Yes.
close your window. The sun is in your face.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to, oh, Carl's not here anymore. Trying to make Carl jealous. Where is he? That does.
Need that, let the sun shine in, man.
Oh, yeah.
Let the sun shine in, brother.
Here we go. Felt good.
Yeah. So back to the challenge, and for some apparent reason, Mark knew that the 250 was gonna be met. I don't know how he did it, but he went and did it, and we had it today to celebrate today. Amazing, brother. Thank you
Achievement award, brother.
for putting
Monumental.
up with me for 250 trading days. I know it was, I know at some point you'll be like, man, what did I take on?
I did, just like you did.
Yeah, and the same way I was nervous starting the challenge is the same way I was nervous to finish the challenge. Yesterday kind of test that patience.
Oh, yeah.
Today I woke up early. I went to bed early after the game. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna get up early and start this day off and end this year on a green note. And we did. Definitely hit it off with a bang, with a boom. Okay, I'm seeing 649 now. Okay, 655.
So what's the plan next year, Steve?
Here we
What's the
go.
plan for next year?
Next year? Hold on.
Yeah.
Here we go. Come on. 670. Let's see where we got filled at. Got moved. 664. Come on. Jeez.
Oh, wow. Missed it.
Missed it.
Missed it again. Damn.
664. Man.
Come on. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. Just a little bit. What? What do you mean?
One to one. 750. That's all we need. Get some accumulation here and then let's break. Stop loss would be VWAP, right? Failed to go. I'll take it back down here.
Cool.
That momentum shift. And the reason why I took it at 650 again, because we had it twice already at 650. Okay, this is the third time. Okay, came down and found support. VWAP came up and make this 550 a support level. So now we'll see if it can be strong enough to hold it and then run higher. Okay. Thank you, who's on YouTube. Thank you for coming in. Hit the emoji button over there for me. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Zen Zone Zoom. We live. We live. Just want to say I appreciate every one of you that came in and hang out with me. So we appreciate you. We celebrate the 250 trading day. Come on, break. Come on.
Yashin is here.
Cindy's in the building.
Where you guys disappeared to? I was feeling lonely.
Yeah,
Been here.
we got shut down, and you know how it is.
Did you
What do you
take
mean you got shut down?
SNTG up?
Yes.
I was waiting for that, man, because I need to make up on that one day.
YouTube is trying to shut down Steve also.
They don't want him to make green. That's why they're like, he won't do it. We're gonna stop him one day short.
We already did though. The day's already completed.
You
I
tell him,
saw-
Steve.
I saw my 20 shares of ABGO. That was it. So that was it. I might hold JP Morgan till the end, Sean, till next year.
Is that a long hold?
JP Morgan, I had it at 111, 112.
Oh, yeah, it's over a year.
Over a year I've been holding.
Oh, for over a year. Okay. That's
I've
a
been
good-
following you for probably 2 years, Steve.
Yeah.
When you were on TikTok making cat sounds.
They shut me down. Oh, you know that they took away one of my accounts on TikTok?
Did they really?
His
Mhm.
backup account of all things.
Here we go. Here we go, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful trade right there.
Yep, partial down.
Beautiful.
Got my
Beautiful. Beautiful. Can't ask for anything better than that. 750.
That is a nice run. What's the target?
We hit it already.
I hit it. Yep,
Already?
partial.
I bought a short on AMD, Steve.
You went AMD short?
Yep, and I'm making money.
Good for you. Good for you. 3/4 out here at the top target. Anything over $8 you're building on this stuff here?
That was good. I got in late.
Start at $8. All right. All right, that was great. So three times this stock, as you could see, this stock 3 times it tested this 650. We missed it on the second one, right? Because we were late on this one. Somebody did, they got it. That was great. That was the second time. The third time around, I wasn't gonna miss that. I was short here, and as you could see, reverse, someone came in, the volume switch, right? The direction switch. And what I did was I sold out and bought and got filled at, I should have sold out when it was here to get, maybe even to get the 650, but that was still good. 14 cents out of the money, but that was fine. We still benefit off that. We reach our target. That was a great trade at that 650, 750. We made $1 off. That B. What about, was Meta we were looking at, right? See what Meta did at that.
Meta failed.
Fail?
Yeah, Meta failed.
So we had the scenario set up for Meta short and Meta long, so. We'll come back and we'll check that. It's still there, it's short, yep, fail. Okay. Yeah. There she goes. Everybody's taking profit. I don't blame them. It's going lower.
Yep.
AMD, let's look at AMD.
I'm gonna go AMD 147 under short 717.
Going short on AMD.
Not now.
Carl, what's
147.
the entry on AMD?
I'm shorting it on 117.17. 147.20.
147.20. You're shorting it? You're already short, or you're gonna go short?
I'm gonna go short.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
If it's
why don't we
past
do
that
that?
line, I'm gonna go short. If it's not, I'll go to 148.52 buy.
Yeah, these stocks need to come down, man.
I think everything is gonna go down later today.
Yeah.
Profit taking, it's Friday
Absolutely. It's slow now, though.
and it's New Year, so everyone needs money.
That's how I would watch that for sure at that level, that for 147.20. And I'll definitely watch coming back up. 148, 148.40. Want to wait till 50? I won't be mad at you. 850, let it build up some momentum and some support. We get over that 148.50. Right? It's pressure in the market, that's all. Pressure in the market. So, wind is ripping out there, brother.
Oh, yeah. Here
Carl,
too.
you send your cold weather down here, brother. Take it back.
Here, Carl, let me give you some sunshine. Nope, it won't now. I can't get it through.
That's how I would treat AMD to the upside. Okay.
Gonna mute you, Houston.
That's how we treat AMD to the upside. We're gonna take it short below that. Stop loss would be at 148, right? Almost at 80-cent stop loss. That's how we treat that to the downside. Let me go over the stock picks here. XPV. That's the nice slow screen here. Okay.
I was looking at
VWAP, gotta break VWAP. What a great trade this morning on that trade here. 1450. Beautiful. Bond support. 1465.
So Steve, let me ask, what did you see in XPEV? It's been going down for the past month. What did you see or what did you hear that made you know that it was going to go up?
I'm just looking at, I didn't hear anything because I don't listen to the news, right? I only go by the chart. Okay.
Right.
This is yesterday. It opened up and went all the way up to 1480. Pull back all the way back down to where it gapped up from. Here's the gap, right?
Right.
Here's the gap, right? So yesterday gapped up, went up, pulled back. That was a great trade. Gap up and go, and then pull back and then retrace, right? Find support here, double bottom. I'm looking at that. I'm not going any further than that than the day before, right? And when I saw it this morning, okay, I saw what it did here, find support here after hours, and then gap up one more time, and that was the resistance. It couldn't break that throughout the rest of the morning, right? So this was when 8 o'clock yesterday, it stopped and just went right below this level here. So that was my indicator to let me know that if the stock is going to break this level, this is where I would want the stock to break. And this is my entry. This is my stop loss at the next resistance, right? This level here came up, popped down. So I know that's going to be my stop loss. And that's how I set this stock off for it to break.
So you never look at like the last 5 days, you only look at the previous day?
That's it. That's it. Sometime I do, not all the time. But what's going to give me a better record than the day before, right? If I want to scale back more and more and get more information, it don't make sense to pile myself up with that much information and just stick to what it is, right? So what it is showing me currently, that is where I want to place my trade, not based on 5 days ago. I could always go back the day before. 1 day is significant enough. Now, if you're looking at
this stock has been in a
long-term,
free fall for a month now.
yeah, but you're not trading it as it for free fall, right? You're trading it as is, unless you want to trade the stock down, right? You want to hold it. You want to buy it at the top and see if it's going to go down lower, right? That's if that's your trading strategy, all right?
Okay.
You know, long term, you want to buy it low and sell it at the highest, right? That's a different strategy to hold it over a period of time. Swing trade, you buy it and you hold it for 1 or 2 days, right? Or 3 days, okay? But as a retail trader and as a day trader, which I am, right? My only concern is what is the stock doing at this particular moment? yeah, I need some kind of leverage to find out ranges and where the stock has been and where it may go, right? And the only way I could determine that is the volume in the market. If it's going to go up or it's going to go down, I got to look for what state the market is in, plot my strategy according to that. So I don't really need to go a month behind. Even sometimes the highest I go to the day. If I really want to check on what the stock is doing, then I go to the week on a higher time frame to find out. But 99.9% of the time, I'm trading 5 minute and checking the 15-minute and the daily. That's it. I don't really focus on the other noise. Now, if the noise come into play while I'm trading, it even better, because then we get opportunity with momentum and volume coming into the stock to trade it, right? So it don't really matter about the noise that is going on or the news. The news even better for us as traders. I don't know if that answered your question.
No, I mean, that was awesome. Thank you. I always go back 5 days, and that's when I build my chart. You know, the highs, lows, and everything like that. And I always put purple as the low because the Vikings suck.
No. It's whatever that makes you feel comfortable. Color doesn't matter. You know, if that's the color you use, that's the color.
No, like I said, I use purple as my low because I hate the Vikings.
Okay. Oh, okay. Got you.
The Minnesota Vikings.
Yes.
That's why I always use purple as the low.
Got you.
But I
But
always
yeah,
go back 5 days, and I chart out 5 days, and I always put the lowest as purple and the highest as gold. And then I go back to the day that you have, and then I do the same thing. I go back and forth and kind of figure out where the middle is.
yeah. Whichever way you do it to get to your comfort zone and your levels. It's not right or wrong, you know. There's no right or wrong when it comes to trading, you know. It's just you gotta predict. It's almost like you're a fortune teller. But with the fortune telling part of it, what make it easier is the volume and the market state that the market is in, that to give you all the answers to that. So the answer is in the chart every single day, and that's what I look for. You'll get it. You'll get it. After a while, it become redundant, and you'll see it. You could look at the chart and know where it's gonna go, or you know that level so much because you've seen that setup before. And again, I spent about 2 years just watching charts, studying charts. That was XPV. Let's go to Tesla.
Fisker. FSR. Fisker. It's a nice setup.
FSLR. FSLR.
FSR.
FSLR.
Fiskers.
FSR.
Oh, FSR. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, Fiskers. It's a nice setup.
Not right now. I see nothing in this one. VWAP has rejection. So if it's gonna 180 would be, if I would trade that, it would have to be to VWAP of 180. Low volume. 2 minutes,
Yeah, no volume.
180. A 15%, target would be the top here. This is just moving like 10 cents. You know what I mean? Not bad, it's slow. 10-cent increments. Target 90 cents, anything above that, you're golden.
Got my interest because look at that. For 5 days, it's like sideways
Mhm.
and suddenly pop.
Yeah. That would be the target for the downside. Right now, we're in a channel, and as you can see, the VWAP is it's area for rejection, right? Rejected once, so for it to break through, gotta break through that number. Still Tesla, TSLA, so I'm gonna try to finish up some stuff at the bank today at 1 o'clock. Just wanna go through this with you guys. HOLO 52. For the load here, right? 247.90 short, right? Going on with the internet. Saying it's stable. Don't worry. Again, cheer guys. Happy holidays. Happy New Year.
Cheers, man.
It's been a great year. I hope all of you
Cheers,
stay
cheers.
here and been starting this journey. Get into the new year. Best of luck, best of wishes. Hope your prosperity, all the wealth. Continue your journey. Stick to the process. You could do it. There's 250 days. Show me that I could do it. If I could do it, you could do it with some discipline, with some patience, with consistency, and with passion, right? And confidence. You could do it, guys. Salute. Happy holidays.
Hello.
And we're gonna continue to on this journey to
Happy New Year to Steve. Happy New Year to
to
everyone.
generate wealth. Okay, I wanted to come back on, and the platform shut us down, but I wanted to come on to thank you and wish everyone the best in their endeavors. And we're gonna be here again. If you want to continue with us into the new year, send your info with your email at info@thezenzone.us. Put Zoom in the subject line. Just let us know that you're interested in and whatever we're gonna offer. You'll get the details. Mark will send that out to you. And if you want to continue this journey, you continue it on the other side. And also, I will be available for one-on-one mentorship. I think it's the time to start teaching everyone what I do and on a one-on-one basis, and it's time to move forward. Okay? On that note, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Brother.
Yes,
In about 10 minutes.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers. Happy New Year.
Yeah, same
Happy
thing.
New
to you
Year.
guys. It's the last trading day of 2023. Woo, Joe B, how you doing?
Good. How you doing, Steve?
Good, good. What you looking at today, my friend?
I was just following some of that on Tesla and what was that? The one that ran up all the SNTG.
Yes, yes, yes. It's
Made a good play on that. That was
Yeah.
a real good one for me. It made my day.
yeah. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Always enjoy watching you. Got good stuff.
Yeah, man. Thank you for coming in and joining us, man. It's always a pleasure.
I'll be with you next year too.
Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. I just see in the market right now, we're just in kind of a channel now. Let's look at was it Johnson and Johnson? Let's look at Johnson and Johnson. You know it's profit taking day today, so Johnson and Johnson, what a breakdown this morning. Choppy though. Choppy, choppy. Don't really give you much to trade from other than this break through the VWAP. So that's it on Johnson and Johnson. Okay. As you could see down here is below 156. Johnson and Johnson, right? We could look for a play to the upside now. At all this mumbo jumbo. Right at this level here. Rather take it here. Worst case scenario on this stock here on Johnson and Johnson, the VWAP will come down and use this level as resistance, right? As this is a resistance level that it's at 56, 156, 24, 25. Let's give it 156, 25, right? I like even numbers. I like fives and zeros. So above this level here, right? If the market is going to change. So we know fail, we're going to fail below here, 156, right? And a reverse using this level as a support, as you could see down here, right? Look, pre-market, this was the low. Worst case scenario, it's going to break that down and go lower, right? You could take that short. All right, reversal, we like that 156.20.
I got my target.
Got your target on which one?
POL.
DOL. There you go, buddy. Can't beat that, my friend. This would be your target on the upside on J&J.
On the upside.
Okay, great, man. That's the way you do it.
I just want to be Green Day.
You have a green day to end the year, right?
Some down, some red, some mostly green.
Okay. Take that. Forget about the red. The red is gonna come.
So accept the reality, right?
Yeah. Remember, the market is not for us to be green, right? It's not. It's a market that built to take. The market is built for 500 companies, right? Billionaires. That's what the market is built for. It doesn't build for the normal real retail traders like us. It doesn't. We're fighting against everybody else. every day we step into this room, right? We fight it. So you have to think in a way that I'm here to, as Edwin would say, extract from the market as much as possible, as often as possible, in a technical aspect, right? And that is almost finding like a needle in a haystack, right? You can't, there's not one formula. There's different thousands of formula how to trade the market, right? Some people trade options, some people swing, some people scalp. So you see all the different type of techniques that involve in trading the market. You just got to find one that you are good at and master that and just dominate every single day, right? That's what I have done. Yeah, I saw everybody swing trade, option trading, blah, blah, blah. Did all that, crypto, all of that. It's all different type of things you could do. Don't worry about what everybody else is doing. Worry about what you're doing and what you're trying to accomplish, right? If it's option trading, then you stick to option trading, right? If that's what you so believe that you could do it. But don't try to do option trading, try to do day trading, try to do swing trading. It's going to be too much, right? Too much going on. Focus on the one thing. Focus on one technique and then master that. And then after you master that, maybe flow over into swing trading. Maybe flow over into option trading. But master one. Don't try to master all these different type of trading because you're going to fail at it. Okay? Master one first. That's just my suggestion. You know, some people could do it. You know, they do it. But for me, I tried it and it was just too much. At times I'll be trading, I miss my option calls, right? Sometimes I'm in option call, I miss my trade calls, right? I so caught up into day trading, I forgot to look at my long-term hold. So stock just goes zero on me. That I'm like, my account is zero on that stock there. When did it go to zero? How comes I didn't see it? So to avoid that from happening, you know, you got to stick to things that you're focusing on a day-to-day. For me, it's the day trading that gets me. So that's it for J&J. SXTC. Now we can look at it. You saw the numbers, you're waiting for all those stock pick of the day. So just wait for those numbers to develop and make a decision if you're going to go. Trade smart, trade wisely. Have your stop loss? That's just my suggestion. Tesla at 247.90. Same thing here. This level here at $4 breakdown. And at 470 long target. All right. So that's the setup. You just wait for any one of those to break and then make a decision. That's how I would trade that. Okay. TSLA. Tesla at the short. There you go. Tesla at the short. Right? Failing. We know. We know this level here. Rejection. See, guys? Couldn't make it. Couldn't make it. Boom.
Oh, nice.
Rejection. 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 So the rejection is setting up for lower, right? Lower. Unless we find support here. Right?
Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me your entries. Do you set it up to say like, okay, if it like for Tesla, I want it at 250. Do you place your order at 250 or you wait for it to get to 250?
You could set a limit order if you like. I don't like setting limit orders. Limit
So,
orders,
but if
I only do limit orders when I'm trading pre-market or after hours.
limit orders, when you set it up, instead the price is 240 and you set the limit order for 250, will it only exercise at 250 or will it exercise because the price is low? Then your limit order.
It's 250. That's what you put in. That's where you want to buy it. That's where it's going to execute.
Okay. And if you want to go short, you can also set it up as that.
Yeah, limit order, where you want to buy it.
Okay. Now, how do you take 4 trades at the same time?
I
When
don't
the
take
market
4
opens.
trades at the same time. Sometimes I miss all the trades. I miss my entries. Because I don't set limit orders.
No, like when you give us the stock picks for the day.
Stock pick for the day, I give it to you so you could look at it. You could choose any one of those stocks that you like. Now, how I approach it, I go through it before the market open and I set my levels, my entries and my short position, my entries long, my stop losses, and my target. Those I predetermine before I get into any of those stocks. So I do that before the market opens. Again, I look at one, the best one I'm going to get, I go after that one. I get that one first. And while it's in the momentum to the upside, I go on to the second one. I wait to see if the momentum in that one, wait for pullback and grab it. That'd be 2. The third one, the same thing. I go back to see if I missed the entry. If I missed the entry, I wait for another entry on the same stock. So I'm going to get the stock pick of the day regardless if I miss the first or the second. Okay? And the same thing on the fourth. So I'll be a whiz to get in all 4 stocks at the same time.
Because it happens so fast at market open.
Yeah,
you know, sometimes.
I can't do that. I can't do that. I couldn't tell you to do it. Oh, it would be crazy. So you got to go in one at a time. I have to go in one at a time. And 60% of the time I miss my entry.
Oh.
But there's
But
always
you get your direction right.
There's always another entry. Right? So when I set up for my first entry, if I miss that, I'm not going to go after it because I missed the first entry. I'll wait for the next setup that the stock is going to give me. Right? You see me do it many a times here. Right? I just did it on SNTC, that 650 area. And I took it the third time around. Right? So that's what you got to do. You can't just go after it like that. Because you will get killed if you try to, okay, boom, this one and this one and this one. By the time you look, you're all red. You can't focus like that. Take one and then let it run. And if it's within your target, take 3/4 out. At least you're done with that. The 3/4 is gone. Go to the next one. See if it's in your range. If it's in your range, then you take it. Let it go. Go to the next one. Take it. And so on and so on. So that's why I used to trade. How many stocks we were in at one time?
Oh, yeah, I saw you. We were in like 10, 15. Yeah.
16. So
Maybe
it's not
2 or
like
3 were swings, but
it's not
16.
like that you can't take 16 trades. You can. But how you gonna manage
You
all
lose
of the
concentration.
16?
Yeah, you lose concentration.
You can't. And they may be green for a minute and all of a sudden they all could be red.
Yeah.
And again, it all depends on how many share size and that could blow an account. So I don't suggest that.
Did anybody get in Meta?
I did that just because I was playing with house money. Right?
Meta knocked me out. Now it's in.
Yeah, it took meta.
Right.
Yeah, but it knocked me
You
out.
guys know the numbers, right? Good job. There you go. Beautiful. So now that I missed it, what it was, 27, I'm 30 cents out. I don't need to play catch up. The next one I need to do is the next target, right? You already here, you already enter. I missed it, right? I missed it. Look at it. Look at the play that we just set up, right? So it's not me just saying, okay, this is that. I'm waiting for the stop to come to me. Don't force yourself on the stop, right? Wait for it to come to you. It will come. And again, it will test your patience. You got to have patience, right? Look how long we're waiting for. How many people is in this trading? Sean, who else?
Yeah.
Indy?
You,
I'm in it.
I missed it.
3 person. So the setup was there. The information was there. It's on you to do what you do. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. You can't beat 50 cents. In this kind of environment, oh, come on.
So Steve, quick question, something I don't use and I need to learn to use. Where's the stop loss on this?
Right under the previous candle here. The previous stop loss would be right here, right? You could go here. There's different scenario. You could do the low as your stop loss as it break to give it room to go, right?
Mm-hmm.
And if it changes direction, you could always stop out early, right? You don't have to wait till it comes down here to stop out. That's the good thing about trading, that you could adjust that at any time you want. But going into
So
the
in this,
trade, you got to go in with a mindset as in, if it pulls back, I give it this room to stop, right? Either you're going to use a 1-to-1, you're going to risk 1 to make 1, or you're going to risk 1 to make 2. You're going to risk half to make half, or risk 1 to make 3, right? If you're breaking it down in 50 cents, if you're breaking it down in dollars, right? In ones. So I normally use 1 point would be $1 or something like that, right? And then 50 cents, right? If I get 50 cents, then I'll come out 3/4. If I get 80 cents, I'll come out 3/4. And $1, that will be my ultimate target, right? And so on and so forth. Now, if I'm going to buy 4,000 shares of a stock, sometimes the spread is what? $2. Look at ZJYL. Spread at some time was $10. So I'm risking $5 to make $20. You know what I mean? I'm risking $10 to make 20. I'm risking 5 to make 15, and so on and so on. All right?
That's Tesla, boys.
So Meta is 1. PSLA.
SPY is running up. So
Look at that. So 250, you got to wait. We could have got in here at 240, 49.50, right? 49.50, and let that 50 cents take you through 250, right? That's a 50-cent move, right? If it gets there, right? And by looking at it right now, we had 249.44. So we're 6 cents away from that 250 with the momentum shift, right? We got support here. Here we go. Support. The next thing it needs to break is break 250 or this 450 if you want to try this level here, right? Look at this 249.50. right? A penny to go. Right? Penny to go. 6 cents to go. All right, let's do this here. Show you something. Okay? And I'm watching time and sale, right? I want to make 50 cents, right? Let's see here. I'm waiting. 6 cents to go. Quick scalp for 50 cents. My platform is slow. I don't want to miss this. I don't want to miss this. Just to show you to scalp. And we just scalp. Okay? 8 cents to go. We need that momentum to push us up through there. And remember, we got VWAP here as a rejection, right? Worst case scenario, we want the VWAP to come down to this 250. So Tesla could use that VWAP, break through the VWAP, and then use the VWAP as support to bounce higher to get to our target at 251. But if it doesn't, this is the rejection here, 250, right? Rejection area, rejection area, rejection area. We just need to break them. And if you want to scalp that, you can scalp that for 50 cents for right there. That's it. And we need momentum to push this up. Right?
Wow. Look at this. Thanks, Steve.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. Paul is not stopping right now.
Which one? POL, right?
Yeah, I know it's gonna go up because it's still holding the previous support. So it pops up today.
First, second, third wave.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Good for you, man. Good for you.
Nice
Here
one.
we go. Tesla. There we go. All right. I'm in. We're looking for 50 cents. Okay. That's going to be my last trade of the day. Got to get to the bank. I don't let the bank close early today. All right. Just
Almost
want to
done
show
here.
you this trade here real quick.
Almost done here. Also $7. Come on.
Got me at 57, 56. Okay, 56. It's a penny above.
Done. $7. I'm out.
There you go. Good job.
Still going.
It's still
Beautiful.
going. I know.
going.
7.5 right now. Hit my stop loss now. That's good.
Good, good. Good job, buddy. Good job. Way to end the year.
Green.
You're at the end of the year. Let's look at that.
That's how you start.
I love it, man. I love it when you guys make money, man. I love it. It's music to my ears. Look at that. Woo!
It's lovely.
Look at that break. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
I should have been there with you.
Yeah, we missed it.
I should have been there with you.
I keep
Okay.
saying that all the time.
I know, man. It's good. It's good. It's good for you. Good for you. I'm glad you took advantage of that and hit your target and then some. It's a beautiful thing when you hit your target and the partial goes over into more than what you expected. Okay? It's amazing.
Honestly, I'm not I always do option, but I just lately the shares portion. So it's always the same. I mean, you know, but just like you said, you don't want to be all over the place.
Right. Let's see how much it got still. It's got more.
It's got to go, Steve. It's gonna get more.
Next target here
Yeah, I would wait for the 750. That's what I would do.
Spy
Yes.
pulling a little.
Spy pullback.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
That's a nice
The
ride.
top here is 730. Then back to
Mara
that
is nice
back to
also.
that 650. Right? Back to that 650.
Look at that. 726.
Scalp it. That would be the next one.
That's it fails now. Big stop.
Sell orders are coming in.
Yeah. Profit taking.
Sell orders are coming in now. Everything flashing red.
See it right here. Short. This would
No
be
one's
the-
tapping.
Side. Pull back.
Oh, that's a huge pullback. Oh, look at that.
See that? Bam. Beautiful.
Man, I was too slow. I was trying to short it at that 680.
Yeah. Look at that. Bam. Right? Look. All right. Wow. All right. Look at that Tesla. Nice scalp, right? Tesla trade. It's gonna be a nice one for Tesla. Okay. Looking good, right? Look at that. Beautiful. Right? Beautiful trade on Tesla. All right.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, somebody took profit there. It's okay. The momentum is to the upside. You got your stop loss in. That's what you look at. Okay. And for me, guys, much blessing going into the New Year's. And I got to get ready to go do some bank stuff here. Make sure everything's set going into the new year. But Tesla, keep eye on Tesla. You know, your target is 251, 252. Okay. And I'll be watching that. And that's all I'm watching right now. Anything else? Just be mindful, you know where the levels are. Watch for those. Be cautious when you're taking your trade. And again, I'm not a financial advisor. Thank you for sharing 250 trading days with me for the year. I appreciate you see you guys. Hopefully, I'm looking forward to see you all in 2024.
See you next week. See you
Right.
next
Thanks, brother. Thanks.
week.
Good job.
Cheers.
Good job, everyone.
Everyone,
Yes,
have a
sir.
great new year.
Guys,
Thanks a
Happy
lot.
New Year, everybody.
Thank you,
Have a good
Steve.
again.
Thank you very
Happy
much.
New Year.
Happy New Year.
Yes,
Happy
thank
New
you.
Year.
Thank you, everyone.
All my
Bye.
Happy New Year.
Hey,
leave
don't
off
forget
the-
about me on the New Year's Eve. Call
Absolutely.
out my name. Call out my name.
We'll leave off with your
Absolutely.
theme song, brother.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Happy New Year, everybody.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Everybody.
You,
Yeah.
you too.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
See ya. See ya.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Mark.
Yes.
Happy New
Happy
Year.
New Year,
Happy
everybody.
New Year.
Yeah.
All he
Happy
does is
New Year,
win, win,
everybody.
win.
See you Tuesday.
Yes,
Happy
sir.
New Year's.
I
Mark,
love it.
Steve.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. KB, same to you and the family. All right.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.